Hello friends, I'm standing here at Marisa Beach. From right here, I'm about to walk all the way to that island you see over there. It's Parrot Island. Just watch how people are making their way across. It's super funny. It is not the easiest walk, but it's absolutely beautiful and super fun. So you have to walk through the water, and at certain places there are waves, slippery rock, and even small drop. So the best way to go is to stay on the left side of the path, I mean close to the rock. There's a small wall you can see. That route is the safest and easiest. So please remember, don't carry heavy bags or valuable items with you. Travel light, a small backpack is okay. Come early in the morning to catch the sunrise, and it was totally worth it. It's around 6 a.m. now, and the view is absolutely magical. Honestly, both sunrise and sunset from here are just next level beautiful. If you are ever in Marisa, this is a little adventure. It's totally worth doing. මේ වීඩියෝ එඩිට් කරන අතරතුර ඒ කියන්නේ අවසාන හරියේදී මගේ ෆෝන් එක මොහොතට වැටෙනවා. ඒ නිසා වටින දේවල් අරගෙන යන්න එපා මෙතනට යද්දී. So thank you.